I'll be taking flowers to the cemetery of my heart for all of my lovers in the present and in the dark. Every anniversary I'll pay respects and say I'm sorry, for they never stood a chance as if they could, when no one knows what it's like to be us. I've never seen the sky this color before. It's like I'm noticing